Are you looking for the best document management system for your company? OpenKM combines power, flexibility, and accessibility to transform how you manage documents. OpenKM offers essential tools that simplify your document processes. Never lose important information with version history and restoration. Find what you need in seconds with metadata-based searches. Protect your data with configurable permissions for each user or group. Why choose OpenKM over other systems? OpenKM provides an open-source option without the high costs of proprietary licenses. While other systems complicate the process, OpenKM prioritizes simplicity. Tailor OpenKM to your needs and connect it with your favorite tools like Microsoft Office and scanners. Choose OpenKM for a smarter, more strategic solution. Reduce costs without compromising quality. Access a flexible and adaptable system. Easily comply with international regulations. Discover how OpenKM can transform your document management. Click the link for a free demo and take your business to the next level.